Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. My son has recently started secondary school, and I think it's fair to say that so far his approach to getting ready has been a little bit chaotic. When he comes home from school, he's often so desperate to get out of his shirt and tie and blazer that he just kind of rips them off and leaves them lying all over the place. As a result, in the morning, when he's often pressed for time, he's running around like a headless chicken, trying to remember where he's put things. The other morning, my wife came down early before my son was awake, and she saw some of his stuff lying around and started ranting and raving to me and our daughter about how disorganised our son was. As he was coming down the stairs, my daughter went to him and whispered quietly, "Watch out, Mama's on the warpath." If you say that someone is on the warpath, you basically mean they're angry and they're ready for a confrontation. They're ready to argue or fight or punish. Obviously, it's often used for parents. Parents might be on the warpath because of any number of things that their kids have done. It's also, unsurprisingly, often used to talk about bosses. Maybe you come into the office where you work and one of your colleagues warns you, "Hey, watch out, the boss is on the warpath today because we're way behind schedule with that new project." You also sometimes see it used in journalism to talk about groups of workers. So it might be, following recent cuts to subsidies for agricultural workers, farmers are on the warpath and they're threatening to block all roads in and out of the capital. Or maybe teachers are on the warpath. They're angry because of a lack of investment in schools. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your students, your friends, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use on the warpath.